Only one choice to improve road safety. Promotech Corporation Limited. From public transport to personal cars, lifestyles of the modern man are closely linked in terms of using vehicles for transportation or hobbies. However, man lacks the awareness to operate a vehicle safely. For instance, according to a recent investigation of the Transportation Cultural Institute, the awareness of safety belts in the front seats has increased 85.2%. Those who use cell phones and do not fasten their seat belts are fined on freeways and driveways, while the awareness of safety belts in the back seats is still relatively low at 15.3%, a sixth of the front seats. According to the results of a recent experiment from the Korea Transportation Safety Authority, children are exposed to the danger of being thrown into the air from the impact of the front seat of a car during a vehicle collision, and in the worst-case scenario, their bodies go flying out of the car. Then, how can we use these seat belts, which are crucial to children, more comfortably and safely?
현재 유럽의 카시트 사용이 98%이고 미국은 92%인 반면 우리나라의 카시트 사용은 그 절반에도 미치지 못하는 실정입니다. 이렇게 낮은 사용률은 기존의 카시트가 가지는 높은 가격과 어린 아이들이 느끼는 답답함과 무거움, 이동 설치 등의 번거로움, 휴대성이 용이하지 않습니다. 이러한 불편함을 감소시키기 위해 저희 회사에서 개발된 제품은 경제적인 가격으로 누구라도 쉽게 착용할 수 있으며 또한 신체 사이즈에 따라 벨트 길이를 조절할 수 있으므로 아이들이 안전하고 편하게 사용할 수 있습니다.
As stated above, Promotech Corporation Ltd. has produced the best in design in Mom's Rabbit Belt for safe and convenient traffic environment for children and in accordance with safety standards such as testing of harmful materials, ingredient test verification, and safety standards of Korea Environment Merchandise Testing Institute. Likewise, no big difference in design from general belts, no inconvenience of transportation, installation you felt when using existing car seats, convenience of product as well as safety. The following directions are the most effective way to use Mom's Rabbit Belt from Promotech Corporation Limited. You have to check the belt ring at the top of the bezel. Those are closed by sewing you'd like to use the tools, and the belt loop of holder pushed through the back of the bottom bezel. Then, the ends of the car seat belt insert between the car seat and hip caution, and the end of belt has no clip is between the car set and headrest. Turn back seat hanging belt ring which you check in advance. After that, connect the rest clip tight. Then, open the buckle of the front protection pad and check whether the buckle moves or not. Lastly, place the child on the seat and insert the existing seat belts in the top and bottom loops. The Advanced Child Safety Belt, Mom's Rabbit Belt. Economical, convenient, safe. Increase a child's safety awareness. Increase family outings. And put parents at ease when a child is on the kindergarten shuttle bus. Maintaining the safety of a beloved child and happiness of a precious family. Promotech Corporation will always be your partner.